Ever felt that amazing thrill as your plane rockets down the runway? That powerful surge as you're pushed back into your seat, followed by that magical moment when you leave the ground. Takeoff is definitely one of the most exciting parts of any flight. But have you ever stopped to think about what's actually happening in those few moments? How does a massive several hundred-ton machine get off the ground so gracefully? It's not just about speed, it's a carefully choreographed dance between power, design, and human skill. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of takeoff, revealing the incredible science and engineering that makes it all possible. Let's start with the most obvious element, raw power. The first secret to a successful takeoff is thrust. Those giant engines you see hanging under the wings are modern marvels of engineering. Whether they're jet engines or turboprops, their job is to generate an immense amount of force. Think of it like this: a single engine on a large passenger jet, like a Boeing 777, can produce over 100,000 pounds of thrust. That's more power than all the engines of the Titanic combined. This massive force is what overcomes the plane's inertia and the friction of the tires on the runway, accelerating it from a standstill to takeoff speed, which can be over 170 miles per hour in just a matter of seconds. It's this incredible acceleration that sets the stage for everything else to happen. Now, power alone won't get you into the air. That brings us to the second and most crucial secret, the wings. An airplane's wing is not just a flat plank, it's a masterfully designed airfoil. It has a specific curved shape on the top and is flatter on the bottom. According to Bernoulli's principle and Newton's third law, as the plane gains speed, air flows faster over the curved top surface than it does underneath. This difference in speed creates a pressure difference, lower pressure on top and higher pressure below. The higher pressure underneath pushes the wing upwards, generating lift. But there's more. Pilots can also increase lift by adjusting flaps and slats on the leading and trailing edges of the wings. These devices effectively change the shape and surface area of the wing, allowing it to generate more lift at slower speeds, which is exactly what you need for a safe takeoff. So we have thrust from the engines and lift from the wings. But what keeps the plane from veering off the runway while it's building up all that speed? This is where our third secret comes in, the nose gear steering system. While the main landing gear under the wings primarily supports the aircraft's weight, the smaller wheel at the front, the nose gear, is responsible for steering on the ground. The pilots use rudder pedals in the cockpit to control the nose wheel, making small, precise adjustments to keep the aircraft perfectly aligned with the runway's center line. As the plane picks up speed, the aerodynamic forces on the rudder at the tail also become effective, helping with directional control. This system is vital for maintaining stability and preventing any dangerous drifting, especially in crosswinds. It ensures the plane is pointing exactly where it needs to be for a clean liftoff. Finally, we have the human element. The fourth and perhaps most important secret, the pilot. Technology is incredible, but it's the pilot's skill and judgment that bring it all together. During the takeoff roll, the pilots aren't just sitting back and enjoying the ride. They are intensely focused, monitoring dozens of instruments, checking engine performance, and feeling the aircraft's response. They use the control column, or yoke, to make tiny adjustments to the ailerons on the wings, keeping the wings perfectly level. They manage the thrust to ensure a steady acceleration. Then, at the precise moment they reach the calculated rotation speed, called VR, the pilot gently pulls back on the control column. This action raises the nose, increases the wing's angle of attack, generates the final burst of lift needed, and the airplane gracefully lifts into the sky. It's a testament to thousands of hours of training and experience. So, the next time you're on a flight, as you feel that incredible acceleration and the gentle liftoff, you'll know it's not just one thing, but a beautiful symphony of four key elements working in perfect harmony. The immense thrust from the engines, the brilliant aerodynamic design of the wings, the precise control from the nose gear, and the expert touch of the pilot. It's this combination of power, physics, engineering, and human skill that makes modern air travel one of the safest and most amazing feats of human ingenuity. We hope you enjoyed this look into the secrets of takeoff. If you found this fascinating and want to learn more about the world of aviation, don't forget to hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to Air. We have plenty more incredible aviation topics coming your way. Thanks for watching, and fly safe.